Profit and loss practice set question number 5. So look at the question and again pause this video, try solving it by yourself and see whether the answer is matching or not. Along with that, you need to mention in the comment box what do you feel the level of difficulty for this question. Level of difficulty for this question, which we define: 1 it is easy, 2 is moderate, and 3 is difficult. So you need to tell me according to you what should be the difficulty level for this question. Now let's start solving. A trader used to make 5% profit on an item by selling it at the usual mark price. Okay, 5% profit by selling it at usual mark price. That means in this initial case, the mark price is same as selling price, right? And then he is making what? 5% profit there. 5% profit in such case. One day he tripled the mark price, whatever was the mark price, he tripled the mark price and the item and finally offered a discount of 30% on that. Find the percentage profit he made on the item that day, on that particular day. So see, now here first of all we need to understand the relationship between mark price and cost price by using that information which says 5% profit when he is selling at the mark price. Now if I use this and assume, now do you understand this? Entire question is in form of percentage, answer is also in form of percentage, so I can assume number instead of assuming variable, right? I need to compare with the cost price, right? Because 5% the profit percentage is applied on cost price, profit percent apply on cost price, right? So let me assume the cost price to be 100. In that case I can say the selling price, or as per the question, selling at mark price. As per the question, this is also a mark price. This is also mark price. What is the mark price? The mark price can say that 105, because 5% profit if we sell the item at the mark price. Did you understand this part? Am I making it complicated for you? I hope not. I hope not. Question said up 5% profit. If 5% profit on 100 rupees, the selling price should be what? 105. Don't make me write all the steps. Now you have grown up, you have watched the concept builder videos and practiced some questions also. Okay, now as per the question, this is equal to mark price. So now we got to know that the mark price here is nothing but 105, right? Now here question said if triple the mark price. So given if triple the mark price, that means if mark price become triple of this, that is what? 315, right? In that case, now on this discount is applied on what? 30% discount, finally offered discount of 30%. So 30% discount is applied on mark price. Discount is applied on mark price. What should be the selling price now? What should be the selling price now after you apply 30% discount on this? 30% discount on this. So basically the selling price now should be, discount percentage is given 100% minus discount percent. Remember? Yeah? Okay. So you can say this is what? 315 into 70%. Let's simplify this part. So when you multiply 315 by 7, what you get? 220.5, yeah, divide by 10. 315 multiplied by 7 is 2205, and then divide by 10 will get you decimal here. Selling price. Yes, selling price. Now, yes, if mark price is tripled, discount applied 30%, selling price is 220.5. That's not the answer. Question is, find the profit percentage made on the item that day when he tripled the mark price and given the discount of 30%. Okay, so profit percent. What is the formula of profit percentage? Come on, Profit percentage is what? Profit, which is nothing but selling price minus cost price by cost price. Profit upon cost price into 100. Yeah. I hope you don't have to write this formula in exam. Save time. Okay. So difference here is cost price unchanged 100 rupees. The new selling price, that is 220. Difference is 120.5 by cost price, which is 100, multiply by 100. That's nice. So what you get here, cancel this part. So new profit percentage is 120.5%. 120.5%. Yes, that's the answer. Do we have this in the option? Oh wow, we have this as option number A. So what do you think about the level of difficulty for this question? If you analyze, calculation is not very difficult. Simple concept of cost price, mark price, when discount is given, then what to do. So there is nothing much in that. I think we should give it level of difficulty 1. Easy. This question will put it in the bracket of easy question. Okay. Fine. Let's solve the next question.